Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a piece of tech that might just be the unsung hero of the modern world. We're talking about the quartz grinding machine. And no, it's not just for making pretty countertops. This is the high-precision equipment that's absolutely critical for manufacturing optical fiber. You know, the tiny glass threads that carry all our internet, phone calls, and streaming video around the globe. Let's break down why this machine is such a big deal. First, optical fiber is made from ultra-pure quartz glass. It has to be flawless. Any tiny impurity, any microscopic scratch, and the light signal traveling through it gets scattered or lost. That means slower internet, dropped calls, and buffering videos. Nobody wants that. So, how do you take a rod of quartz and turn it into a perfect hair-thin fiber? That's where the grinding machine comes in. Its job is precision shaping and polishing. Before the quartz can be heated and drawn into a thin fiber, its ends and surfaces need to be perfectly prepared. This machine uses specialized diamond-tipped grinding wheels. It works with incredible accuracy, often down to the micron level. That's thinner than a human hair. It creates the perfect geometry and mirror-smooth finish needed on the fiber's ends. Why is that so important? Well, when you connect two fibers, their ends have to mate perfectly. A smooth, flat, clean end means maximum light passes from one fiber to the other with almost no loss. Think of it like aligning two drinking straws perfectly. If the ends are jagged or dirty, you lose your drink. In fiber optics, the drink is our data, and we can't afford to spill a drop. This grinding process ensures every connection in the vast global network is as efficient as possible. Without this technology, our high-speed digital world would literally slow to a crawl. So, the next time you stream a movie in 4K or have a crystal-clear video call, remember the humble grinder. It's the quiet, precise workhorse making it all possible behind the scenes. Thanks for watching. If you found this look into manufacturing tech fascinating, be sure to hit that like button. And subscribe for more deep dives into the amazing machines that build our world. See you in the next one.